how to find location permission settings on Amazon shipping on Android or iOS phone. First open Amazon shipping, and then click this three lines here, and after that click settings, and now click permissions. And after that just wait few seconds, and that's it. Then just scroll down, and here we'll find location. As you see here, you can manage location settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.